guys, it's Kath. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because today we are finally sharing our bathroom renovation with you guys. As most of you know, we moved into our first home in May of 2020 and it has been one of our greatest blessings. We purchased a 1920s outdated home and have been renovating it and making it into our dream home, and we just love sharing the entire journey with you guys, which is why today's video is in partnership with Lumix, and I'm really excited to show you guys how I use their Lumix G100 4K mirrorless camera to vlog and capture all these projects and DIYs, and why it's honestly easily becoming one of my favorite vlogging cameras. So stay tuned to the end to hear all about this baby, but now let's get into this renovation. Are you ready for this before and after? When we purchased the house, the first floor bathroom was a half bath and had a weird layout. There was two separate rooms, one that had a storage closet and another that led to the toilet and sink. And the layout just made it really crowded and small. So we shared some ideas for this space in our home tour video. So here's a clip. First floor bathroom. It is currently a half bath, but we have plans to make it into a full bath. We're definitely gonna break down this wall right here. It's kind of like a doorway, a second doorway in here, and it's not necessary at all. So we're thinking about putting a tub in here, like a built-in tub right here, and that even using these shelves in here. I'm excited. We're thinking like hexagon flooring. We're going to open up this space out, probably take out this closet right here, but I'll show you guys a little peek of what it looks like. If you can see, that's very, very big. But we'll probably be taking out this closet just to open it up so we have room for like a bigger vanity, move the toilet down and all that stuff. Once demo started, we were able to see how much space we had to work with in this bathroom. The walls came down and the built-in shelf was adjusted. We even changed out the window to a shorter one for a little more privacy, and for flooring, we bought a pack of hexagon marble tiles from Floor & Decor just to test it and see how we liked it. Then the heater was removed and placed on a different wall to make room for the bathtub, and then Sean and I also took some time to write scripture on the studs before the walls were put up, which you can check out in a full video on my channel linked below. Next, the sheetrock was put up and the tub frame was built, and this was really exciting because we could finally see our vision coming to life. We love the tiles we tested out, so we headed to the store to grab more and had the contractor start installing the tiles. I loved how it gave such a spa-like feel to the room. Next, the toilet was put in our beautiful tub from Signature Hardware. This is the Sitka acrylic drop-in tub, and I am obsessed with how deep and spacious it is, guys. Look at how beautiful this looks. We also added the faucet from Signature Hardware in black to bring in some contrast and add to the luxurious vibe we are going for. And then next we installed our 30-inch Quinn bathroom vanity and faucet, which were also both from Signature Hardware, and it was really easy for Sean to put this together and install himself. And for paint, we decided to go with one of our favorites, which was Extra White from Sherwin-Williams. And would you look at this transformation, guys? This is our new blank slate, and it doesn't even feel like the same room we first walked into. It's turning into the spa-like luxurious bathroom we envisioned. Okay, so as you can see, it is already a transformed space. That before and after, what it looks like now, it's just mind-blowing how much the room has already changed. Now we're gonna put all the little finishing touches together. We are gonna do some floating shelves, some styling of the built-in shelves, some DIY decor, paint and accent wall, put some frames up, just all those finishing touches, and then we're gonna complete this room. So I'm gonna share the DIYs with you guys, and a lot of you guys always ask me what's like a really good starter camera that has everything you need. And for you to elevate your content and for you to just be able to vlog and send things right to your phone and be able to just really capture amazing high quality 4K content, I love this little guy right here. So I'm gonna share more details with you guys about him later, but let's go do some DIYs. And then a little belly bump update. Hey baby. All right, let's go. We wanted to add 2 floating shelves above our toilet, so Sean headed to the store and bought an 8-foot pine board to cut into 4 24-inch pieces, 2 for this bathroom, and we'll save the other 2 for another project. We then sanded the boards down, used a preconditioner, and went in with the weathered oak stain. Sean then measured and installed some black shelving brackets we found on Amazon, which are linked down below. And then I didn't end up loving the color of the stain, so I'm on the hunt for a new one, but this works for now. The walls also seemed a little bare and felt like it was missing something, so we decided to do an easy accent wall using the sponge technique. It was so easy to do, and I think it really warmed up the room. For the built-in shelves, I really wanted the middle shelving to be natural wood, but the contractors forgot and ended up painting it, so for an easy way to get the look I was going for, we just bought contact paper and placed it right over the shelves. Now to style the shelves, I had a bunch of great DIY ideas which were really easy and affordable. I bought most of the products from Dollar Tree and the thrift store, and I have a full video sharing those DIYs in detail on my channel, so make sure you check that out. I love that with the Lumix G100 camera, I'm able to capture content and send it right to my phone within minutes. So whether I'm doing DIYs like this or just capturing everyday moments with my kids and family, I'm getting high quality 4K content instead of using my phone or lugging around a heavy duty camera. I love the flip screen feature and how lightweight and travel friendly this camera is. Look how easy that was to send directly to my phone, and now I can easily edit it on my phone and then post it right to Instagram. Okay, now it's time to style and complete all the finishing touches. I hope you guys love this transformation as much as we do. It feels so good to finish each space one room at a time. We still have so many more rooms to work on, so stay tuned for that because soon we'll be sharing our master bathroom upstairs, our bedroom, the boys' bedroom, and even a baby nursery. So I want you guys to see all of that. Make sure you subscribe and press the little bell button next to the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I post a new video and you're not left behind. And thank you again so much to Lumix for partnering with us on this video, and that's about it. So I hope you guys love this video, and I will see you in the next one. Be blessed.